Today we are starting with another set of practicals with the MySQL. Other comments we will see today, such as how to insert null values and to display the null values with the uh, is keyword. Okay, and update comments also we will see today. So let us start first. Okay, what is actually the update command and the null values and all we will see in this session. Fine. So now let us see the start SQL. As I have told you that type MySQL over there, or if SQL command line you have to install. Okay, you have to click on. Okay, so whenever it will come, so MySQL, there are a lot of different versions are also available. You have to install the appropriate one. Okay, and that is available um, in mysql.org, and also you can see. Okay, so as I'm and you can find it out by searching also. Okay, by searching also MySQL. Okay, MySQL command line client will appear. Okay, in that case what can you do is, so this is the one actually. So MySQL command line client, so if you click on, so then what will happen, this particular thing will open, and as I've told you, it is quite secure, and there is a security on this. So what will happen, this MySQL command will not let you in as long as the password authentication is correct. All right, that is the thing. So now when you will click on it, then what will happen, the MySQL command line window will be displayed. Okay, like this, as I've done. Okay, I've clicked twice, that's why it is coming appearing like this. So here I will maximize the screen first. Okay, in some of your screen it might not come in maximized way. Okay, so in that case you can work in the whatever optimized window you are getting. All right, so now 1 2 3 4, by giving the password and the MySQL prompt I have got. Now I will go back with the yesterday's the last part what I have shown with that particular database, that is school one. Okay, so once again, if you are not very sure, you can see with the databases. Okay, databases, so will show you the different databases present. So I'm working with the school one at present, so I will use what, use school one. Okay, school one, use command to be used, database changed message will appear. Yes, it has come. Okay, now what will you do, we will go inside the database, and we are already inside the database, and now what will you see, the tables and all, show tables you command if you give. So this one, this s1 table we had created in the last session. Okay, now we will use this s1 only in order to proceed with our practical session. Fine. Okay, and these commands are important as well, as whenever you will get the questions in theory paper also. Okay, the same query you have to write. So if you are doing practical well, then you are actually preparing for theory exam also. So that is this is actually, that is why there is a dual purpose while doing the practical. Fine. Same thing you have to write only in the answer script. All right. So now let us see first. Okay, what are the records are there, how many records are there. To display all the records, select star from that table name. S1 is the table name, and then you will see that this table, the records, all the records have been displayed. Now today first only we will see that how to insert values. Okay, null values, null means which is nothing. Okay, sid, sorry, use what will you do, insert into, sorry, insert into table name, then values we will give, then values, what we will give, say sid 980. Okay, 980 is not there, it is primary key. Okay, Suman Chakrabarti. All right, and then say class is say class class 8, class 6. All right, now what is happening here, date of birth is actually 201010 hyphen 09 hyphen 18. Okay, not 18, it's like 20. Fine. Okay, 20th September 2010, and say house I'm keeping null. Okay, nothing is there, null, and then address is say Kolkata. Okay, sorry, KOLKT, Kolkata. Okay, so this record I'm inserting with a null value in house. All right, fine. Okay, now see, this has been inserted. Now see, I'm keeping out here another record out here, say 985, and then say it is keeping John Verghese, we are GHSC Verghese. So it's also in class 6, and the date of birth is 2010, say 11, and then say it is 09. and say null and is from say Kerala. Okay, KRL Kerala. Okay, I'm entering this one. So now two records you have inserted as what? As null. Null means nothing. All right. So what I'm doing now, this is actually the practical functionality that we'll see insert into. Then I'm pressing enter. So there's an error. So duplicate entry occurred. So we are not going with that, but two records we have successfully entered. And as I told you that primary key is there, that's why the duplicate entry is not possible. Means that we are checking the data redundancy out here by applying the primary key in SID. All right. Okay. So you can see the description also of the table S1 that we had discussed yesterday. This is the description. So it is showing clearly the SID is primary key. So no duplicate entry is possible whenever you are assigning any key as primary key. Fine. So now let us see now the null records we have entered. Now let's see how to display that. Okay. So if you want to select all the records, see the display all the records. So select star from S1. So it is showing you here the two null values are there. Okay. Now if you want to display only the null values, then what would you do? Okay. So select, okay, select star from S1 where what house is, there is the is clause to be used. Remember, is clause, no equals to or something else, no comparison operator or something other things to be used out here. Here only the things that will be used, that is clause to be used, where house is null. Just simply write null. Okay, so it will show you the null values. Now once you have entered the null values, it is your duty to remove it. And because there is some house has been assigned to that particular child, maybe at that point of time when you were entering the data you are not aware of that, but now the modification has come to you, you have to modify this. Now how would you do it? All right, so now whenever you will do the updation, it is advisable to take the help of the primary key with respect to the primary key. So what will you do? We will use a command that is called update. What is called update? All right, update command is used to modify a record in a table. All right, any part of it. Okay, update where S1. Okay, update S1 set. Okay, house equals to what? Green. Sorry, you can give here green. Okay, not green. You can give blue out here. Okay, and then where? Okay, this is the syntax. You can see out here update set. Okay, is the syntax set what house equals to blue, where SID equals to how much? 980. This is the first record to be modified. Okay, so one row affected, clearly the message is coming. If there is anything wrong, then in that case it will give you the error message, of course. All right, now the second one we have to do, set house equals to say this is actually what say red house. Okay, red house where SID equals to how much? 985. So in this way you can update, okay, any null value or any other value present in your this thing in your table. All right, so let us see once the modification has taken place or not. It 100% has taken place. You see out here, one is red has come and 980 we have to search for. Okay, yes, it has come blue. Fine. Now suppose in somehow you want to address change the address KSN 945. Okay, so what is the command? Update. Okay, S1. Okay, set. Okay, set address. Address equals to say it will be Chennai. Suppose Chennai. Okay, set and where what for the KSN, what is the SID? That is 945, where SID equals to 945. Okay, fine. So since the numeric data, no single quote or something like that will be appearing out here. Now you just, okay, fine. It has come like this. Okay, that is the thing. So now update set will actually help you out in order to modify any data. So just you check out here whether it is changes taken place or not. Okay, so what will you do? Select star from S1. Fine. So now you see the changes taken place. It has come Chennai for the KSN. All right, so in this way you will be able to update any record whenever you are accessing a table. Okay, any modification is required. If you want to change the date of birth, that is also possible. Okay, say Suman Chakraborty's date of birth, you want to make it as 2011, suppose. Okay, by mistake it has entered 2010. So now what will you do? Update table name set. Okay, DOB equals to what? 2011 hyphen 09 hyphen 11. Rest of the things, sorry, maybe like this 11. Okay, that is the thing. So where, what is the SID of Suman Chakraborty? SID equals to SID equals to 980. So in that case, what will happen? This date of birth will change into this, whatever we have given just now, existing one to change into, modified into this one. So in this way, any piece, any atomic value you will be able to modify. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so you have changed over here. Let's just see. Yes, it has been changed the similar 2011 9 and 11. Okay, that is the thing. That means 11 September 2011. Okay, so in this way, update command will help you out in order to modify a record or a data. All right, now see what we will do. We will go with some of the wildcard characters. Rather, wildcard characters means suppose in wildcard characters to be used when we are not very sure, okay, about it. Say I have been asked to display all the names from the table that starts with A, okay, or R or something like that. Okay, so what will be the command? Set, okay, select. Here I am doing the name that starts with R. All right. Select star from S1 where uh, name like what R, then percent will come. Percent means after R whatever is appearing, all the things to be included. All right. R percent, fine, like this. Okay. So you see wherever the R is there, it has been printed. All right. That is the thing. So in this way you will be able to, print the name that starts with R. Now say if you want to print those names that starts with E, suppose small e. So what will you do? Select star from where name like, here you have to give it like this. First person sign will come, means whatever in the before, and then E, suppose if you are giving, it will only display you the records that ends with E, now you see which has ends with E has been displayed out here. Okay, it is not considering the beginning or the address that has been started with. It is not been showed you in that way. All right. So that is the one that you have to go for. Okay. Okay. Now the thing is that what I will do, I will select another thing. So now suppose I want to display all the things, okay, all the names where in the name everywhere, anywhere, ER is appearing. What is that? ER is appearing. So what I will do, I will first of all give percent and then give ER, then I'll give percent out here. Then what will happen? Wherever the names are having the set of letters ER, even if you want, you can increase also, that doesn't matter. Okay, so select star from S1 where name like ER percent, then what will happen? So what will happen? Wherever the names are having the set of letters ER, that will be displayed. Now you see here it is ER is appearing in case of Ravi Banerjee, ER is appearing in case of Varghese, ER is appearing in case of Rama Chatterjee. Okay, now say little bit um, uh, we are going away with this little bit. We are inserting two records, then you will understand it better. And insert into S1 values. Okay, within bracket. Say so this one is 657. Say then and then say Rajat Kumar. Okay, Rajat Kumar. Okay, then say is having in the class 5. Okay, and say date of birth is say 2011. Sorry, 2011 hyphen 08 hyphen 17. Okay, and house is say green, and then say uh, address is say Chennai. All right. Now you see out here one record I have entered in this way, and another record I am entering now. Okay. Now say 640. It's not 57. Removing this 47. Okay. Uh, Sujit Kumar. Sujit Kumar, and then say is in class 6. Okay, and then say 2012. Okay, and then say 11, and then say 27 December Okay, then say is in the red house, and address is actually is also from is also from Cuttack. Cuttack. All right. So enter. So two records I have entered. Okay. Two record error has come for different reason, but it is okay. Okay. Let us check. Select star from select. Sorry. Select star from S1. So it will show you S1. So you can see out here the S1 has been displayed, and those two records also have been entered with Rajat Kumar and Sujit Kumar has been entered also. Okay. So now you see the thing is that I will apply those things. Select star. Suppose say I want to display those names and all, and not all the records. Say only the I will display only the name. Okay. Then SID, and then say class, and then say DOB. Okay, from S1 where name like what? Name like percent Kumar. Okay, Kumar will be displayed. Now say pressing enter. So what is happening? The names containing the set of words Kumar will be the following information have been displayed. However, if you want to see the all informations, you can give here what? You can give here the star. Okay, star means everything. Okay, so now what is happening? All the names having Kumar into it all will be displayed. So in this way, wherever a set of words, if you're putting in the percent sign, then it will be displayed in this way. All right, that is the thing. So now this actually the a particular word, a particular display. Okay, that you can manipulate by using this wildcard characters. Okay, so now I want to display all the records that started with only the four letters. Okay, so there are different ways. Select star from S1. Okay, where name like I'm showing with the name, or you can use some other letters also, other set of letters also. Okay, so now what is happening? Say I want to display those. I'm now changing a bit. I'm changing address from here. Address. Okay, address having the fourth character as I. Okay, fourth character as I. All right. So what I will do? Fourth character as I. Then afterwards anything can come. The fourth character I means first three letters. I am giving here what you see underscore. Underscore means single letter. So first three characters. Okay, first three characters. Three underscores I have given, and fourth letter is I. After that anything can come. All right. Where address like this. Okay. So that is the format. Okay. Now you see what is happening. It is showing you the Siliguri. Siliguri is having the fourth letter as I. So I have told you that I have given the three underscores over here, and the fourth letter is I, and that has been displayed out here. Okay. So in this way, by using this particular thing, you can also manipulate the records and all. So once more, we are going back to the select star. Okay, select star. I'm showing you the records and all. Okay. Now you see the thing is that okay. Uh, okay, now you see the thing is that say a particular set of word you will take we will take say certain names are there that has been started. This is actually the starting and ending. All right, that is the thing. So how will you control that? Say I am taking a certain set of names I want to display in this way. It will start with S and ends with R. Okay, suppose this format if I want to write, how could I write? Okay, then I will say that not insert, select star from S1 where what I had told you that starts with R and ends with R. Okay, ends with smaller. Okay, so the percent will come in the middle. Okay, percent will come in the middle. You can see out here. Okay, select star from S1 where name like R percenter. That means starts with R and ends with R. Okay, so it has been displayed the Rajat Kumar's record. So if you want to manipulate with the address data, so where address like, so suppose I want to give address and address no such formats. If it is not having, in that case it will show you the empty set. Okay, empty set means no records is available, but the query is okay. Okay, now say I will display those records which has been starts with K, with capital K, and ends with A. All right. So what will happen? Select start from S1 where address like K percent A. That means it starts with K. Any address that starts with K and ends with A, that particular set of information will be displayed. So whoever is staying in Kolkata, because K is matching this particular format is matching with Kolkata. That's stuck because Kolkata starts with K and ends with A. That's why all the records from Kolkata have been displayed. All right, that's the thing. So in this way, you will be able to manipulate. Okay, manipulate the your functioning, your functionality. Okay, that is the things. Okay, now a small comment I'm showing you. Okay, that is how to delete a record from a this thing. So update you have seen. Now how to delete a record from a table. Okay, so what I'm doing, select star I'm doing, answer how it is better to delete with the, as I've told you, with the updation also will take place with the, it is better to do with the what do you call this one, uh, the primary key. The primary key. All right, so delete also will do it in the same manner. Delete. Okay, delete. Now delete from the table name. Okay, table name is what? S1. Delete from table name where, okay, SID equals to 945. Okay, this one I've given. So chaos sense records will be removed. Okay, in that case. So very okay. Now you go for displaying the records. You will not find the any more 945 out there. So okay, that is the purpose of the delete command. So it is a very simple thing. Delete from S1 where SID equals to 90 and 945. Suppose I want to remove all the records, say those who are in standard 5. Okay, so what I will do, so delete record, sorry, delete from. So actually it is advisable to do it with the primary key, but if you are doing with the any other key, in that case other records also be displayed, but make sure that those to be perfect, because in that case what will happen, other records which are not supposed to be deleted, that one also will be deleted. Okay, that is the thing. So delete from. So what I'm doing now, I am removing the record of class 4. Okay, those who are having in class 4, I don't no more require there. Okay, so delete from S1. Okay, where class equals to, or class like you can use since it is a character. Okay, IB. Okay, this one. Okay, so class equals to 4. Okay, enter it. Now two rows have been removed. So this thing Raju Ghosh and Rama Chatterjee will be removed from here. All right, select star from S1. You see, no, nothing is there. Okay, no class 4 records are there. Okay, that is the thing that you have to go for. Okay, so today we are seeing the commands that you definitely do its practical implementation, and definitely will get the results. In the next class I will come up with some more commands like alter and all. Okay, that we will see also. Okay, and some of the logical operator as well as the relational operator also will work with. Okay, that is the thing. So in this way, you will do the practicals, and you will definitely implement it. If you are not implementing it, then this practical has no value. All right, so definitely you must do it. Okay, clear? That's the thing. All right, thank you.